guys, I've been trying to make this hair conditioner, and I've been looking at a lot of different videos. So I've been doing like some trial and errors on how to do this. I did one the other day with turmeric, and it was okay. Like, it made my hair really curly, but it was really oily, and the turmeric was getting everywhere, like on my hands and everything. So I'm gonna scratch the turmeric like when I do like a real like hair conditioner. I'll probably like use it like for my face or something. But then I did this one, and it wasn't getting lathered enough, so I put it in the blender, and then after I put it in the blender, then it was like smooth because I was mixing it and it wasn't getting smooth enough. I'll just tell you like everything that I used. So I used the coconut milk. Coconut milk restores dry, damaged hair because of its excellent moisturizing properties. Coconut milk can be used as a scalp tonic for dry, itchy, and irritated scalp. This is particularly beneficial for restoring dry, damaged, and brittle hair, as well as split ends. Coconut milk contains all the essential nutrients required for healthy hair, boosting your hair follicles, and promoting hair growth. I also put aloe vera, like aloe vera plant in it. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Peppermint oil stimulates the hair follicles, it promotes growth, and rebalances the scalp. Tea tree oil can unclog hair follicles and has numerous antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. These properties all benefit the hair and scalp by removing buildup of dead skin cells, oil, and products, and increasing oxygen and nutrient supply to the hair follicles, and treating and protecting the scalp from infections. Flaxseed oil provides nutrition for hair follicles because it's rich in fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish hair follicles for healthy hair growth. The deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids can result in dry, brittle hair. It's also rich in protein and selenium, both of which are necessary for growing healthy, shiny hair. And I use lavender oil as like a preservative to like preserve it, because I did put avocado in it, and I heard that that's like a really good preservative. Lavender oil is good for treating hair loss, balding, control alopecia, and promotes hair growth, treating lice and their eggs, dandruff, itchiness, and many minor injuries, helping your hair stay healthy, promoting a healthy scalp and follicles. Glycerin. I started using glycerin, like I bought some on eBay, and it's pretty cheap. I didn't know that people use this. It's like something really healthy that like a lot of naturals use, and it's used as like a curl activator, and it's actually really healthy for your hair, and it helps, like if put like a tiny bit of it in like any mask you use for your hair, it'll help it curl even more. With glycerin slathered on, it absorbs moisture and humidity from the air. This action is essential, especially when retaining scalp moisture and promoting hair growth. Adding to that, glycerin also aids in strengthening the hair, making them less prone to breakage. I feel like it kind of acts as like coconut oil, like the way coconut oil, when you use it, is really good for hair. It stops breakage and everything. It has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands by moisturizing and locking in shine. Honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. So I'm gonna see like how it works on my hair. I'm gonna put it on my hair, and yeah, after I put it on my hair, we'll see like how it came out and like how it looks. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing like different masks like over the course of like the next couple weeks, because I really want to make one like a really good one, like for curls, growth. Like I want to make like an all-in-one, because I see like a lot of people who make one that is like one for curls and one for growth. Like I feel like, why can't you just put everything all in one? So yeah, that's what I plan to do, and that's what I want to do. So I'm just like doing like trial and error, and I guess I'm just like videotaping, being somewhat of a guinea pig for you guys. Yeah, so let's get to this hair mask.
coconut oil to make it creamy.
So this is the finish. I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes and then I will come back and So I'm going to rinse this out after 30 minutes, and then I'll see. I might leave it on overnight. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. But it feels really good. Like, it's super tingly. I really like this mask, and I'm really happy with the outcome. Yeah. So, and it's like super creamy, like really, really creamy. Like, it came out after I froze it after blending it. I didn't really need to freeze it after blending it. I just did because I didn't want to, like, I didn't know like if it would like mess up. So I froze it overnight because I wanted to do it today. It is avocado, even though I put a preservative, which is like lavender oil, which could be used as a preservative. But it's like really like creamy. See, like my hair is like,
It's a puppy.
looks really good, but it's like really really creamy. And that really, it's really good because I can coat my hair with it. So yeah, I recommend this, and you can either use a blender or you could use a mixer. I noticed that with a blender, it blended a lot better, and it was smoother, and I had chunks when I just mixed. But yeah, other than that, this came out really good, and I'll do it again. Like after 2 days, and my curls are like fully intact, really defined. My hair is like super defined, like super defined, super shiny. And this is like after 2 days. And if your mix isn't like blending well, like if it isn't getting smooth, because I like mine smooth, I don't like chunks in it, then try just like after mixing it, put it in the blender, or put it in the like put it in the freezer, and after like, you know, after it like kind of freezes a little bit, maybe like after an hour, take it out and then try blending it again. Or you could pour it into your blender and then it'll get really smooth. But yeah, so I hope you like this video, and subscribe.